Meditation. We are always talking about it, but what meditation actually is and how can you do it? Let's dive a bit deeper in this. You see, there are two types of meditation: mindfulness meditation and guided meditation. Now, no matter which one you choose to use, you only have something to gain, because what a guided meditation actually is this act of yours when you put your headphones on and listen to me guiding you through life, while to be mindful means to be your own guru, to become the guide of your own life and allow the spirit to express itself through you. So, how to do this mindfulness meditation? What you need to realize is that each time you're not consuming any information, you are in a meditative state. So what mindfulness meditation is actually you being you without anyone's help. So how to become mindful? You see, your mind is already full anyway, so to become mindful means to become aware of it and start cleaning your mind. But now you can't be doing it if you're always receiving new information, no matter if you're playing a video game or watching your neighbor watering his plants. So to start practicing mindfulness meditation, you need to find a comfortable position, lose your mind and come to your senses. Instead of watching your neighbor decorating his garden, you need to start decorating your own. Close your eyes and see with your mind. See through your nose and your ears. Be present. And now what happens is that in a given moment you will get lost in a vision that your mind gives you. You will start receiving signals, and it is like you're watching a movie. You can hear words, you can see scenes, and that is your imagination. So as you start receiving these loads of information, you will have conscious and unconscious moments, in which conscious moments you will be able to try to understand the information that you have just received in this unconscious moment that just passed. And then all of a sudden you have an entire opinion on a certain subject formed by you in cooperation with the spirit above you. So now what helps me to be rich in knowledge is to spend these moments with myself, where I can receive more of those information, and since I'm interested in deep subjects, as it is the life itself, I get to receive first-hand information coming from the universe itself. If you're willing to commit yourself to your own evolution and spend these moments with yourself too, then tomorrow you can be doing this too, and this can be your job, your purpose, your lifestyle and your business at the same time. Now, what will help you to get the most out of your meditation experience is to do these sessions around nature if possible. Clean your backyard, plant some grass, and take care of that lonely tree that you have forgotten about. Make it your own Zen garden and spend most of your time there. Also know that sitting in that default yoga position is not necessary while meditating, but it is highly recommended so you can breathe properly and form your spine in a healthy way. So what you can do is lie down on the grass and enjoy your moments. You can also adopt a cat so you can have a buddy to hang out with in your garden. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, peace.